2. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, or saccharides, are found in many types of food, mostly in starches and sugars. Carbohydrates are essential for the working system and structural features of living organism. They are biomolecules which give energy to body, the medium of metabolism, and the cell components. Carbohydrates are mainly compounds of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, with the atom ratio of hydrogen to oxygen 2:1, such as 3 carbons, 6 hydrogens, 3 oxygens, 6 carbons, 12 hydrogens, and 6 oxygens, and 6 carbons, 10 hydrogens, 5 oxygens. 1 gram of carbohydrates will give 4 kilocalories of energy. Carbohydrates can be found in cereals, rice, and tuberous vegetables such as potato, taro, and sugar. Types of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are classified into 3 groups according to their structural features as follows. 1. Monosaccharide, or simple sugar. Monosaccharides are sugars which have the combination of 3 to 6 carbon with molecular formula N carbon, 2 N hydrogen, N oxygen. It is the smallest molecule of carbon our body can instantly use without digestion. 1.1. Glucose. Glucose is generally found in plants, vegetables, fruits, corn, and honey. It is the second sweetest sugar after fructose that gives the most energy to living organisms. For medical purpose, glucose may be used as an instant energy for the infirm patient. Because it is only sugar that is found in the human blood, so we also call it blood sugar. 1.2. Fructose. Fructose is the sweetest sugar mostly found in honey. Example, 40% of fructose found in honey. Other than this, it can be found in pollens, vegetables, fruits, and molasses. Mangoes are a fruit. 1.3. Galactose. Galactose is a monosaccharide. It is rarely found in nature because it is usually combined with glucose in the type of disaccharide called lactose, which is only found in milk and milk products. 2. Disaccharide, or double sugar. Disaccharides are grouped in the carbohydrates that have a sweet taste. It comes from the combination of 2 monosaccharide molecules. When we eat a disaccharide, an enzyme in the digestion system will change into monosaccharide before assimilating. These essential types of carbohydrates are sucrose, or granulated sugar, maltose sugar, and lactose sugar, which, respectively, vary in water solubility. For example, sucrose and maltose are easily dissolved in water, and lactose is fairly soluble. 2.1. Sucrose. Sucrose is granulated sugar, or cane sugar, and is our most favorite. When sucrose is split or dissolved, each per molecule of glucose and fructose will be given. Thai people use about 10 kilograms of sugar a year person for cooking in almost every type of food. Sucrose is mostly found in sugar, mange, warzel, beet, and all kinds of sweet fruits. 2.2. Maltose. Maltose is the combination of 2 glucose molecules which do not freely occur in nature, but are mostly found in growing rice grains or malt liquors. 2.3. Lactose. Lactose is the molecular combination of 1 galactose and 1 glucose. It's not found in plants, but mostly found in milk, widely known as lactose, milk sugar, also found in the pregnant mammal's urine. Lactose is different from other disaccharides in some aspects, such as less sweet, less soluble, slower to digest, and hardly fermented compared to saccharose and maltose. 3. Polysaccharide or multiple sugar. Polysaccharides are groupheads, are dried carbohydrates. Its molecular structure is large and complex in the kind of polymers from the very long monosaccharide molecules connected together. These carbohydrates can be found most in nature, such as starch, glycogen, cellulose. This large molecule will not dissolve in water. 3.1. Starch. Starch is a carbohydrate which is found in plants, accumulated in seeds, roots, bulbs, trunks, and leaves, such as rice, potato, taro, and wild yam. Starch molecules are made of numbers of long, straight-chain amylose and amylopectin branches. When starch is digested, it will end as glucose. 3.2. Glycogen. Glycogen is found in liver and animal muscle, sometimes called animal starch. Its compound is similar to starch but has more branches. When glycogen is split, it will end as glucose. It's not found in plants, doesn't dissolve in water, and it's not sweet. 3.3. Cellulose. Cellulose has long, straight chains of molecules of glucose, which are mostly found in plants, vegetables, and fruits. It helps strengthen the trunks and branches of trees. A human body cannot digest cellulose, so it is excreted as the waste called fiber, which helps activate the colon to work more efficiently in excretion. 3.4. Chitin. Chitin is a polysaccharide which is found in invertebrates like insects, crayfish, lobster, crabs, etc. It is on the hard, covered parts of the animal's body. 3.5. Lignin. Lignin is a polysaccharide which helps strengthen plants' tissue. By accumulating in the cell wall, it makes wood stronger and tougher. 3.6. Heparin. Heparin is a polysaccharide which is found in livers and lungs and artery walls. It helps prevent blood from hardening. 3.7. Insulin. Insulin is a polysaccharide which is found in some plants such as garlic and onions. It is a compound of long, connected fructose molecules. 3.8. Pectin. Pectin is a jelly-like polysaccharide which is found in fruits like jelly. It is a compound of many galactose molecules.